Hello everyone, this is Priya from Takriti Software, and today in this video we will discuss how to share a document with others using SharePoint Document Library. The technical contribution is given by Shiv Tomar, a senior software engineer in Takriti Software. Shiv Tomar is completely dedicated to his work and an expert in SharePoint development. Thank you Shiv for a valuable contribution. Whenever we want a document to be shared with others for review or get feedback, we usually do it by emailing it to the person or share the physical copies of the document. These are time consuming and may create multiple versions of the same document, which leads to confusion. Alternatively, we can use SharePoint to upload our document in Document Library and then share it with others. SharePoint will maintain versioning of the document and also it's easier to manage as well. In this video, we will address these two things: how to upload a document in SharePoint Document Library, how to set the permission to the user for giving the access of the document in SharePoint Document Library. Go to SharePoint and click on Document Library as we want to create a document in Document Library. At the right side of the screen, you can see an empty box. Put the name of the document library you want to create, like My Doc Library, and click on Create. After clicking on Create, your My Doc Library has been created under Document Library. Now you can see the two library tools, which is Documents and Library. Click on Documents. On this page, you can create a document either directly by clicking on this Add Document, or you can create in a folder under Document Library. Let's see how to create a document in folder. Click here on New Folder. A new folder pop-up comes up. Now in this text box, tap the name of the folder, that is My Folder 1 or any other name you want to create, and click on Save. Here a new folder, My Folder 1 as we named it, is created, and we need to create the document in this folder. So click on My Folder 1. See Add Document, click on it, and we get a new pop-up which is My Doc Library Upload Document. Now by clicking on Browse, select any file or document from your computer you want to upload and share with others, and then click on OK. After clicking on OK, you can see the uploaded file here. By uploading any document in SharePoint Document Library, we can share that document with others for their approval or reviews from the same place. This way we don't have to do it manually, or there will be no need to roam from person to person. We can also give the access of that document to some specific user. As we have uploaded the document, only we can select who all can see the document. For that, we need to set the permission. Let's see how to do that. Click on Library tab here. Here you see this library permission option. Click on it to change the permission setting for users. This is the list of the site level users. These users are already inherited in SharePoint. Here you can see that right now Shiv Tomar has limited access of the uploaded documents. If you want to give him the full access of it, then go to Grant Permission. A pop-up of Grant Permission comes up. On this text box, type the name of the user to whom you want to give the full access and check the box of full control. Now click on OK. After that, you can see that Shiv Tomar has now full control of the document. That means he can view the document and he can change the setting for the document as well. So we have covered two things: how to upload a document in SharePoint Document Library and how to set the permission to the user for that document. Very soon in our next video, we will come up with the workflow and retention policies of a document in SharePoint Document Library. Thank you.